Welcome to NEET in Biology. Dear students, in this video we will discuss on blue-green algae. In blue-green algae, we are going to see different forms of blue-green algae, their structure, how they store their food, nitrogen fixation, reproduction, and problems with blue-green algae and their economic importance. Let us start blue-green algae. BGA or blue-green algae is known as cyanobacteria. The name cyanobacteria was suggested by ICNB, International Code of Nomenclature for Bacteria, in 1978. These cyanobacteria or blue-green algae mostly found in fresh water, whereas some blue-green algae found in marine water and terrestrial habitat. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic oxygenic prokaryotes. Cyanobacteria were the first organisms that were produced oxygen on our earth. They have chlorophyll A or carotenoids, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Blue-green algae, according to two kingdom classification, they were included in the class Cyanophyceae or Mixophyceae of algae, but now they are included in kingdom Monera because of their prokaryotic nature. Cyanobacteria are not always blue-green color. Example, Trichodesmium is a red colored one. The red color of water of Red Sea is due to this algae. Now let us see different forms of blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. We can able to see three different forms of blue-green algae. One is unicellular BGA, colonial BGA and filamentous BGA. Let us see the first one, unicellular blue-green algae. The only example for this are spirulina. Spirulina is an edible blue-green algae because it has very large amount of proteins. It can be grown artificially in water tanks and it is used as fodder for cattle. Second one, colonial. Some blue-green algae are found in colonies. Example are going to be Anabaena and Microcystis. Third one is going to be filamentous blue-green algae. Some blue-green algae are filamentous. They are many cells arranged in a row in their body. The filament of blue-green algae is known as trichome. Example, Oscillatoria. Let us move on to the another thing, that is structure of blue-green algae. The structure of blue-green algae is similar to gram-negative eubacteria. BGA is surrounded by a mucilaginous sheet. This sheet is made up of mucopolysaccharides, that is pectic acid. The cell wall of BGA is also bilayered. Outer wall is made up of lipopolysaccharides and inner wall is made up of peptidoglycan. The cell membrane of BGA is also made up of lipoproteins like that of eubacteria. The cytoplasm of blue-green algae is divided into two parts. One is peripheral cytoplasm and central cytoplasm. Let us see the first one, peripheral cytoplasm. It is also known as chromoplasm. In this part, gas vacuoles and photosynthetic thylakoids are found. Photosynthetic pigments are present on the surface of these thylakoids. In the central cytoplasm, this is known as centroplasm. In this region, nucleoid is present. Ribosomes of 70S type are scattered in both chromatoplasm and centroplasm. The cytoplasm of prokaryotes lacks membrane-bound cell organelles, but exceptionally in BGA, some membrane-bound structures are present. One is gas vacuole. It provides buoyancy to blue-green algae in water. The second membrane-bound organelle is thylakoids or chromatophores. Photosynthetic pigments are present on its surface. Exceptionally, gas vacuoles are also present in purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. And let us see how these blue-green algae store food. Blue-green algae stores its food in the form of alpha granules and beta granules. Alpha granules are made up of Synophysian starch. It is structurally similar to glycogen, whereas beta granules, they are made up of fat droplets. Okay, let us move on to the another one, nitrogen fixation. Some blue-green algae can perform nitrogen fixation. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds like amino acids, nitrates. These nitrates increases the fertility of soil, hence BGA improves the fertility of the soil by nitrogen fixation. BGA fixes nitrogen in two forms. One is symbiotic form, another one is free living form. Let us see the symbiotic form. These BGA forms a symbiotic association with many plants and performs nitrogen fixation. The blue-green algae that are involved in symbiotic form are Anabina and nostoc. These two form in the thallus of Anthracoceros and in the leaves of Azolla and in the coralloid roots of Cycas, in the stem of Guarneria, in the root nodules of Trifolium. If Azolla is grown with rice, then the production increases up to 50% because Anabina are found in the leaves of Azolla. And let us see free living form of blue-green algae. Anabina, nostoc and Alocera, these three can fix the nitrogen in the free living form. Alocera, this blue-green algae is found in plenty in paddy fields. It germinates in water. This BGA performs nitrogen fixation, due to which the production of rice increases. Oscillatoria also fix nitrogen in paddy fields. Let us see another important thing in nitrogen fixation is a special type of cell is found in nitrogen fixation in blue-green algae, which is known as heterocyst. Heterocyst is a thick-walled non-green cell. Let us move on to the reproduction of blue-green algae. In blue-green algae, reproduction is done by two main processes. One is vegetative, second one is asexual process. When you observe vegetative reproduction, it involves two different types. One is binary fission, another one is fragmentation. In binary fission is the most common method of reproduction in prokaryotes. By this process, unicellular prokaryotes can reproduce. Example for this binary fission is spirulina. Second one is fragmentation. By hormogonia formation, filamentous prokaryotes produce by this process. Example, oscillatory Coming to asexual reproduction, it is method of protection to overcome unfavorable conditions. Example, echinite formation in nostoc. Let us move on to the problems associated with blue-green algae. That is water bloom. The excessive growth of blue-green algae in water that pollute the water. It mainly develops, water bloom mainly develops due to blue-green algae. Example, Anabaena, Floss aqua, Microcystis and Aphanizomenon. Blue-green algae grow rapidly in water and secrete toxic substances. These toxic substances are known as death factor. Death factor is the main cause of death in aquatic animals. It also gives toxicity and bad odor to the water. Economic importance of blue-green algae. Useful activities. It gives fertility to sterile alkaline soil and USAR soil. BGA secretes an acidic chemical which decreases the alkalinity of the soil. Example, nostoc commune, Alocera fertilissima, and some blue-green algae are used as green manure. Example, Anabaena and Spirulina. Some blue-green algae secretes toxin which inhibits the growth of mosquito larvae in water. Example, Oscillatoria and Anabaena and Alocera. Some harmful activities, as we have seen, they cause water blooms. They pollute water. Example, Oscillatoria and other. And some important points regarding this blue-green algae. Some important points: maximum cyanobacteria are motile, but some filamentous cyanobacteria show gliding and oscillatory movement. Example, Oscillatoria. Oscillatoria can survive in hot water springs. The temperature of this water is about 80 degrees centigrade. Oscillatoria have capacity to tolerate high temperature because of homopolar bonds in proteins. Proteins are denatured at high temperature and the living beings die. But homopolar bonds are present in the proteins of cytoplasm of Oscillatoria which cannot break easily, and the bonds are very much in number so they can tolerate high temperatures. With that, we come to an end of this video. Thank you.